Okay, we got the GT out. The Savanna GT. Making sure these tires is alright before I even... Ooh, that takes skill right there. Yeah, I'm ready. Let me turn down the steering do rate. Yeah, see the wind is... Let's turn the dual rate down some more. I barely got... Wow, it's still... What did you just do there? Here come a car. Oh yeah. Alright, this is really becoming hard with this car because I don't want to flip it. It's pretty smooth, pretty smooth, pretty smooth. Alright, let's try that speed real quick. Check to see what that was. 47 miles an hour. T7. Let's start over. That was 47. I'm looking to get 50 plus. We're gonna turn, but it was on like 75%. My fear is flipping this thing. Full throttle. I mean, if I added 4S, which I'm not going to do. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to put 4S in here. This will be good as I'm going to get because I don't want to strain this, the diffs. So we're going to stop. Read, and that's 47 miles an hour still. All right, that's good enough. Good enough for me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drift around real quick. Lock that in real quick. Let's go. Yeah, this thing a little rocket. Boo! Drifting time, man. man, this thing got nice handling. Servo is a little touchy. Tighten up the servo saver, it'll probably be a little better. It's not bad. This definitely ain't the brush version no more. And I didn't flip it yet. Not bragging, though. Not bragging. Not. But I do want to check them temps, though. It's nice and cool out here today. Still want to check the temps. Want to check them temps. Oh. The temps is see that 116 on the motor, and I know it's not no 62 on the ESC now. Let me get up in there. Can't get a good reading. Well, I mean, it's cool out here, so it probably ain't hot. So I would say that's a true reading. This is 120. Let's check this again. If I had a fan on my motor, still 116. If I had a fan on the motor, it'd be a lot better. This is sensor setup in there. Yeah, I like how it just performed just now, so can't complain. Cannot complain, man. Take my GNS out. You know, I don't know why it looked like it's off already, but that's cool. So I guess that's it. Drive shaft not bent. I didn't have no problems. I didn't feel any problems. Only thing, the steering was a little loose, very loose, even when I turned down the dual rate, but it still handled it. Just gotta be careful. I think this is as good as I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna put it on 4S, because if I had it on 4S, it'd be unmanageable. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. More coming soon. And I'm out. GoPro, stop recording.